Hi, my name's Ryder, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up the Cloudrail Visual Studio Code extension for securing your infrastructure as code. You'll first need a Cloudrail account. If you navigate to cloudrail.app and click sign up, you'll be able to sign up with a new account, confirm your email, and log in. Once you've logged in, select Environments from the sidebar and then click Run Assessment. In the pop-up, select Static Analysis and then click the first box to generate your API key. Copy it to your clipboard. Next, open Visual Studio Code. Navigate to the Extensions tab and search for Cloudrail. Select it and click Install. Next, open a Visual Studio Code workspace that contains terraform files. Select one and open it in your editor. Open the command palette with Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on a Mac and type Cloudrail. Then select Cloudrail Settings. Paste your API key from before into the API key box and close the settings page. With your Terraform file open, click the Cloudrail icon in the sidebar and then click Cloudrail Scan. Any problems with your infrastructure will be surfaced in the sidebar, and you can also view these results in the web application. And that's it! You can now write Terraform code and know that it's secure by running it through Cloudrail.